Good morning, children. How are you? Now let's continue our GK class. Are you ready? Children, now let's continue the remaining questions in your GK textbook, that is in page number 22. We already discussed questions up to 10. Now the remaining questions. Okay. Question number 11. Who was the first woman to be the Lieutenant General in India? Question is, who was the first woman to be the Lieutenant General in India? Answer is Punita Arora. Punita Arora. This is the picture of Punita Arora. Lieutenant General Punita Arora is a former flag officer of the Indian Navy and the Indian Army. She was the first woman in Indian Armed Forces to be promoted to 3-star rank. She held the ranks of the Lieutenant General in the Indian Army and the Sergeant Vice Admiral in the Indian Navy. Indian military forces, Indian military forces, 3 wings. They are, do you know which are they? They are Indian Navy, Indian Army and Indian Air Force. So 3 wings of Indian military are Navy, Army and Air Force. Now let's see the commissioned ranks of Indian Army in descending order. So I will I will just tell only the commissioned ranks in Indian Army. Similar posts are there in Navy and Air Force also, but I will tell only the commissioned ranks in Army. Okay. So first I will tell the topmost post, that is Field Marshal. Then just below that, General. Then Lieutenant General. Then Major General. Then Brigadier. Then Colonel. Then Lieutenant Colonel. Then Major. Then Captain. And next one, last one in the commissioned rank is Lieutenant. So I told that in the descending order. That is, first I told the topmost post. This is the order. Okay. So this is about Indian Army. Now let's see the question number 12. Which was India's first talkie film? Talkie film means the film in which we can hear the sound. Sound is used. Before this talkie film, the films were silent. There was no provision to use sound. Later they found the technology to use sound. Along with the visuals, sounds also played. That's why we can see the movies. In our present time, we can see the movies with all visual as well as audio effects. So let's see which was India's first talkie film. Answer is Alam Ara. Alam Ara was the first India's talkie film. Before that, there were silent films, means films without sound. Alam Ara was the first Indian talkie film, that is the first Indian sound film. Until the release of Alam Ara, only silent movies were released in India. Alam Ara was released in 1931. Which year Alam Ara was released? It was in 1931. Alam Ara means world's best jewel. The film was directed by Ardeshir Iran, starred by Master Vithal Subeida, Prithviraj, Jillubai. First Indian movie was Raja Harishchandra. And Raja Harishchandra was a silent film released in 1913. Dada Saheb Phalke was the director of the film Raja Harishchandra. Dada Saheb Phalke is known as the father of Indian cinema because he directed the first film. The first film made in Malayalam was Vigathakumaran, and it was directed by J.C. Daniel, and J.C. Daniel is known as the father of Malayalam cinema because J.C. Daniel directed the first Malayalam film Vigathakumaran. That's why he is known as the father of Malayalam cinema. Question number 13. Which video sharing website was founded by Chad Hurley, Steve Chen and Javed Karim? You know, that's a familiar video sharing website. It's nothing. It is the YouTube. It's very familiar nowadays, isn't it? You can get your classes in app through the link from the YouTube. Which video sharing website was founded by Chad Hurley, Steve Chen and Javed Karim? That is YouTube. YouTube is an American online video sharing platform. Its headquarters is in San Bruno, that is in California. 3 former PayPal employees, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen and Javed Karim, created the service in February 2005. Which year they created this YouTube? That is in 2005, February 2005. Google bought the site in November 2006. YouTube now operates as one of the subsidiaries of Google. Now the owner of YouTube is Google. Question number 14. Which famous Indian cartoonist was the man behind the famous Amul advertisement? Question is, which famous Indian cartoonist was the man behind the Amul advertisement? The person is Mario Miranda. Mario Miranda. This is the picture of Mario Miranda. Mario Miranda was an Indian cartoonist and painter who was born in the state of Goa. He had been a regular with the Times of India and other newspapers in Mumbai. He became famous with his works published in the Illustrated Weekly of India. He was awarded India's second highest civilian award, the Padma Vibhushan, in 2012. Which is the second highest civilian award in India? That is Padma Vibhushan, and our Mario Miranda received the same, got the same award in the year 2012. Last question in that page number 22 is that is question number 15. When was Burma, now it is known as Myanmar, separated from India? When was Burma, now Myanmar, separated from India? That is in 1937. Till 1937, this Burma was the part of Indian subcontinent. It is known as Indian subcontinent. That so many countries, Pakistan, Bangladesh, like Burma, etc., they were the part of the Indian subcontinent. and during some years they separated from India. Myanmar, you can see the location of Myanmar in this map. You see India is, you can see India there, Nepal there, and they are the India and Nepal are the neighboring countries of Burma, or now it is known as Myanmar. Myanmar is a Southeast Asian nation of more than 100 ethnic groups bordering India, Bangladesh, China, Laos and Thailand. That's about Burma or Myanmar. Now let's go through the questions and answer one more time. Question number 1. Who was the first woman to be the Lieutenant General in India? Answer is Punita Arora. Question number 12. Which was India's first talkie film? Which was India's first talkie film? Answer Alam Ara. Question number 13. Which video sharing website was founded by Chad Hurley, Steve Chen and Javed Karim? Answer is YouTube. Question number 14. Which famous Indian cartoonist was the man behind the famous Amul advertisement? Answer Mario Miranda. Question number 15. When was Burma, now it is known as Myanmar, separated from India? Answer 1937. Write all these answers in your textbook and study well. Go through the descriptions I already given. It is good for you. It is very useful for you. Note down somewhere and go through the details at times, and all weekends. If you go through the such things, then it will be very useful for you to prepare for competitive exams in future. Okay, so study well. You can expect some surprise test any day. Okay, study well. Hi children, I hope all of you understood today's class. Study well, study all these questions and study well. So if you have any doubt, contact me, and we will have a test paper also. Wait for it. Be prepared. It will be a surprise test. So get ready. I will not tell which day. Sometimes after one, I will take one more lesson after that only. Anyway, anytime you can expect that. So till we meet in the next class. Bye.